Hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, pumunta pala kami ng Rojas City para gumala at syempre mag-unwind. Pagdating namin dito guys, sakto lunchtime. So, we're going to have our lunch here at Bye Bye RC. Kasama ko dito yung aking family, syempre yung aking anak, asawa, tatay at ang aking nanay. So dito kami kumain kasi sabi nila dito maganda daw dito kumain at saka presko yung hangin. And this restaurant guys is new to us. Kaya dito kami nag-lunch. So nag-order na sila and then ako is ayan, pakyut muna tayo. And habang sila ay nag-order, tinanaw ko muna dito yung dagat. Ayan, so high tide. At saka marami pa ring naliligo. O diba? At saka yung hangin is hindi naman kalakasan. At alam nyo guys, this is the right time na maligo sa dagat kasi hindi siya gaanong mainit. So ano lang siya, parang cloudy day. So sayang hindi kami prepared na maligo kasi wala kaming dalang pampaligo. Ayan. At dito naman sa kabila, ayan. So marami ding naliligo at meron ding mga sumasayaw. Dala na rin yung pagpipiknik. Then bumalik na ako dito guys sa aming table kung saan kami nakapwesto at nagpicture-picture muna kami dito para meron kaming remembrance at saka memories. Gutom na kami dyan guys pero we have to wait for our order. At si Lolo at si Lola ay very happy talaga na kargahin yung kanilang apo.
Ni si Yarn.
Then after a few minutes guys, dumating na yung aming mga in-order and we are so hungry na. So kakain na kami guys. Thank you for the food and for the blessings. At hanggang dito lang guys yung aking vlog. Thank you for watching. Ayan, at isi-share ko sa inyo yung mga photos namin na na-capture before eating. And I would like also to thank my subscribers. Ayan, thank you for watching my vids. And thank you for supporting my channel. Ayan, at 7K subscribers na ako. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Mwah!